guys, we are going to make us some copycat recipe of Long John Silver's. I don't know if y'all had Long John Silver's. We absolutely love it. I've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, guys, we're going to get... Okay, we've got 1 cup of AP flour. It's okay. 1 cup of AP flour. Okay. No. Then we need half a teaspoon. Get your half a teaspoon.
And I won't pick one.
Kind of shake it. Look, scrape it off right there. Okay. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay.
Did Baba do it?
Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
What I can do?
You're going to do these.
Okay.
And then half a teaspoon. Get half a teaspoon. No. Half a teaspoon of onion powder.
And know what?
Onion powder. Half a teaspoon. You can be mixing that up a little bit if you want to. Get the whole cup full. No, the whole spoonful. You got to get the whole spoonful. There. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic powder. Get the whole spoonful now. Okay, that's good enough. And half a teaspoon of paprika. Okay. And then Mo, you do this one. We need 2 tablespoons. Get the whole tablespoon. Whoa, not that big.
I know what I can do.
Okay. Whoa.
My other tail.
We're going to need 2 tablespoons. No, we're almost through. Don't get it. It's okay. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay? Cornstarch.
Move your chair.
And then 1 cup of water, guys. Now you can use
And I won't want to.
well, that's all we got right now. Don't spill it out. Okay, let Wilder do it a little bit now. Momo, let Wilder do it a little bit. Okay, again, while they're doing this, I'm going to tell you, we got a half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. I didn't hold the garlic powder up, sorry. And then 1 cup of AP flour. Make sure it's AP. You don't have to use a whole half a teaspoon of all actually we could have used just a 1/4 teaspoon, but it's okay. Our batter is a little reddish looking, but that's from the paprika. All right, we'll be back when we're ready to cook it.
Wait for me.
Oh, wait a minute. Let Wilder do his part. Okay, let Wilder do his part. Momo, let Wilder do his part. And you see how the batter is loose? You want it loose, guys.
Is this fast? No.
That's fast enough.
Yeah.
We got to get down there in it. There you go.
Then you open
Show him, big sissy.
Woo,
Show him.
girl. Okay. We'll be back when we cook it, guys. Okay, guys, I forgot the salt. It's 1. I'll do this. 1 1/2. Oh, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Okay? All right. Okay, guys, we're ready. We're going to take our little strips of chicken
Yeah.
and dip it in the sauce. And you want the runny part because that's what makes the crunchies. If you ever ate at Long John Silver's, it's just like Captain D's. It has crunchies. So we got to have crunchies.
don't need to touch the chicken.
No, you don't touch
And
chicken.
my daddy me up. Another something.
Yeah, you can tell them. Tell them.
I
Tell
like
them.
the chicken. Banana crunchy. Maybe I want chicken.
Okay, baby. It is just chicken.
And I don't like that on my chicken.
Okay, we got to turn it back over here now. Got about enough in here. Might have to stop a minute because Sonny was going to get Sonny to get me the thing.
Maybe I do like hot cheese.
You do like conch cheese?
Let me do one
Be still. Be still. Okay, we got our strainer back there. Y'all know that's how we like to strain our food. Yeah. Okay. Now,
Okay.
just kind of move this around in here.
Listen.
Wait,
No.
hang on just a minute. I need to turn it. Hang on a minute. Y'all gonna knock each other off. I need to turn it back over here so they can see it a little bit.
Listen, Mama.
He don't want to change. He don't want to change.
Mama.
Okay, I'm getting my crunchies up over here. I need a paper towel. You got a paper towel or just a towel? No, baby.
Oh, what?
To put the crunchies on. Okay, we got to keep them turned, guys. Got to keep them turned. And you do need more than just a little. You want them to be able to float around. Okay, now she's got me something to get my crunchies up in. Because I don't want them to fall through, but we want them crunchies because, oh, they're so good. Okay. See how pretty and brown our chicken?
No.
Get down. Hang on just a minute. Guys, that got a little wild, so I had to make them move. Too scary right here around some heat. But anyhow, just keep your chicken turned. You can use this to take up your crunchies. You need something that you can take up your crunchies, okay? And we just let them brown. Guys, when you're just about through, you can take the leftover batter and a spoon and just drizzle to have plenty of crunchies. And just kind of keep it all moved around. Then you'll have some crunchies attached to your beet. That's how they used to do it in the Long John Silver's day. You get some crunchies and you get some bigger crunchies and some little crunchies, and that's how it goes. All right, we'll be back. Okay, Mo's trying one of the Crispies, crunchies. All right.
Take a big bite, baby.
That good? What you gonna try, chicken or crunchy? What you gonna try? You can't, they can't see you because you got on no clothes. What you gonna try, chicken or crunchies? Okay, while he's trying to decide, guys, I'm trying chicken for you and ketchup. Mmm. One of the coolest ways to eat it. Put it in your ketchup. Sorry. Then get some crunchies.
Mommy, give my baby some up.
While-
Lady.
Some up.
Thumbs up. While I was trying to crunch you. Okay. Bye, guys. Come back.
Bye.